Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Attorney Sonia Peterkin, owner and founder of the Law Office of S.A. Peterkin. And today we're going to talk about what to do when your immigration application gets stuck at USCIS. So if you've ever filed an immigration application, you can be waiting months, sometimes several years to get a decision regarding your application. It's very important that you understand the process of your application and you understand that the time frame in which you will be waiting for a decision will vary depending on a number of factors, such as the type of application you're filing, the basis of your filing, and the jurisdiction. If you file an application and you're not hearing back from USCIS, then there are actually several steps that you can take. The first step that I would advise you to take in that situation is to check the status of your immigration application. And there are two ways in which you can do that. The first way is to plug in the receipt number found on the top of your receipt notice into the USCIS website using their case status tool. And it will generate a status update for you. So it can tell you things like whether your case is being processed, whether you're in queue to be scheduled for an interview, whether a decision has been issued or an RFE has been issued, and so on. The other option is contacting the 1-800 customer service number. With the 1-800 number, you will also be required to provide your receipt number. So make sure you have that information handy. Then once you've been able to find out what the status of your case is, the second thing that I would do is to check what the normal processing times are for that particular case. The USCIS website actually allows you to check the normal processing times of each immigration form. So you would simply choose the immigration form that applies to you, and sometimes you will also have to choose the basis of which you're filing your application, and based on the information that you put in, it will give you processing time that is normal for that particular application type. From that information, you can determine whether your case is within normal processing times or outside of normal processing times. If your case is within normal processing times, there's not much that you can do, and you will just need to wait to receive a decision within that time frame. If your case is outside of normal processing times, there are a number of things that you can do, and we'll talk about what those things are. So first, there are several tools available to you on the USCIS website, and one of them allows you to put in a case inquiry, where you can notify USCIS that your case is outside of normal processing times. It will ask you a series of questions regarding your case, such as the form number and the receipt number and when the application was filed and what was the last activity that happened for this particular case. Once you submit it, you will normally receive an email that will let you know that somebody will reach back out to you in regards to this inquiry within 30 to 60 days. The other option is that you can contact a congressman or woman to assist you with getting USCIS to issue a decision on your case. This option is actually very effective. USCIS normally responds fairly quickly. Another option that I find very effective is filing a lawsuit against the government. With this option, you can actually file a petition with a federal judge to force USCIS to make a decision on your application. What I find equally effective is contacting the field office director and letting them know what the situation is and all the attempts that we've made to get the case moving forward, and to let them know that we do plan on moving forward with the lawsuit if a decision is not issued within a specific period of time. I have never gotten a situation where this request has been ignored and a decision is not issued. That usually prompts a decision right away. There are also other tools available to you to try to help your case move forward, like the USCIS Ombudsman. This is a great way also to get another agency to act on your behalf by inquiring into your immigration application. And USCIS does usually respond to an ombudsman request, and you can get your situation resolved that way as well. So there are many different ways to move your case forward. I would encourage you not to feel as if you're helpless and there is nothing that you can do if your case is not being handled correctly by USCIS. At the Law Office of S.A. Peterkin, we want to make sure that your experience through the immigration process is as smooth as possible and that you don't have to go and figure everything out on your own. We are here to assist you based on our knowledge and our years of experience. My number is 321-325-1125, and my website is www.sapeterkinlaw.com. Thanks for watching this video and have a great day.